Hello everyone, this is Alpna and today I will discuss about expression evaluation. So let's start with our first question. So our first question is, what will be the output of I? So here it is given int I. I is equals to 7 plus 5 into 2 divided by 4 minus 3 modulus 2. So as we can see that here it is arithmetic operator, arithmetic operator, arithmetic operator and arithmetic operator. So all are arithmetic operator. So in arithmetic operator, multiplication, division and modulus have higher priority than the plus and minus, that is addition and subtraction. So multiplication, division and modulus have same priority, so we will go with the associativity, that is from the left to right. Left to right. Now, so first of all we will evaluate the 5 into 2, that is 5 into 2 is equals to 7. 5 into 2 is equals to 10. So 7 plus 10 divided by 4 minus 3 mod 2. Now the next step is to evaluate the division operator. So 10 divided by 4 is equals to 2 because it gives the quotient, that is 2 minus 3 modulus 2. Now the next we need to perform modulus operation which gives us the remainder. So 7 plus 2 minus, we will get the remainder as a 1. So 7 plus 2, that is 9 minus 1 is equals to 8. So our answer is 8. Now next question. What will be the output of I? So int I. I is equals to 3 into 5 ampersand 8 minus 4 XOR 9 logical and 3. So here we have three kinds of operators: arithmetic operator, bitwise operator and the logical operator. So arithmetic operator has higher priority than bitwise operator and logical operator. Bitwise operator has higher priority than logical operator. So first multiplication will be performed and then this is bitwise operator and this is bitwise operator. So multiplication and minus is arithmetic operator. So first of all we will see the priority of the arithmetic operator. So multiplication have the higher priority than the subtraction. So first of all we will perform the multiplication. So 5 into 3 is equals to 15. Then is the bitwise and 8 minus 4 XOR operation 9 and then logical and 3. So the next one is 8 minus 4 which is equals to 4. So 15 and 4. So this is the bitwise and operator and XOR 9 and logical and. So now we will perform the bitwise and operation. So for bitwise and operation, 1, 2, 4 and 8. So 15. So 15 is what is 8, 1, 1 and 1. This is the 15. This is for 15. We had written this for the 15. Now we will see the 4 because we need to perform the bitwise and operation between 15 and 4. So 4 is this one. So bitwise and is performed. If both are 1 then it will be 1. If any one is 0 then it will give 0. Like 1 and 0 it will give 0. 1 and 0 it will give 0. 1 and 1 it will give 1 because both are 1. 1 and 0 it will give 0. So it gives the 4 which is equals to 4. So this operation gives you the answer to be 4. Now 4 XOR operation 9 then is the logical AND operator, and then 3. So the next operation we need to perform is the XOR, because bitwise operator has more priority than the logical operator. So 4 XOR 9. So 4 XOR 9, logical AND 3. So 4 XOR 9. So 1, 2, 4, 8. So 4 is what? 1, 0, 0 and 0. And for 9 it is 1, 0, 0 and 1. So now we will again perform the XOR operation. So now XOR operation, if it is both 0 or both 1, then it will give 0. If any one is 1, then it will give 1. 1. If both 0, then it will give 0. If any in the 1, then it will give 1 and 1. So this is equals to 13. This implies to be your 13. So now this operation is equals to 13 and logical AND operator, and then is the 3. So logical AND is, this is if any number other than 0 is called true. Then if it is true, then only it will check for the next number. It is also true. So true and logical AND true is your, gives the answer to be true. True means nothing but is equals to 1. So the value of I is equals to 1. Next question. What will be the output of I? So int I is equals to 2. Then is the left shift operator 2, 2 XOR 2 and right shift operator 2. So there is one short trick to calculate the left shift and right shift. So for left shift, I will show you. For left shift A, left shift n is equals to A into 2 to the power n, and for right shift A, right shift of n is equals to A divided by 2 to the power n. I will show you how. So first of all, there is three types of operator here. That is shift operator, arithmetic operator and bitwise operator. So the priority is given to the arithmetic operator to be the first priority. Then the second priority is given to the shift operator, and the third priority is given to the bitwise operator. So first of all, we will calculate the arithmetic operator, that is 2 plus 2 is equals to, this will gives us you 4. Okay, so this is your 4 is given, and 2 left shift operator of 4, and then XOR of 2, and then right shift operator of 2. This is our first step. Then we need to perform the shift operator. So this is the left shift and this is the right shift. So first we will perform the left shift and then we will perform the right shift. So 2 left shift of 4. So this formula comes 2. So A is equals to 2. Here the A is equals to 2 and then N is equals to 4. We need to perform the left shift operation. So what we will do is 2 into, this will be the formula, 2 into 2 to the power of 4. So 2 into 2 to the power 4 is equals to 16. So 16 into 2 is equals to 32. Now this whole will be replaced with the 32. So 32 to the power of 2 and XOR of 2. So this we got the 32 and this we already calculated. So XOR of 2 and then is the right shift of the 2. Now we will perform this because the shift operator has the higher priority than the XOR operator, that is bitwise operator. So now 2 XOR, so now this formula will come. So this one to be with the 2 is equals to, what we will find, that A divided by 2 to the power of n. So here the A is your 2. So here 2 divided by 2 to the power of 2, that is equals to 2 divided by 4. So 2 divided by 4 is what is that? Answer will be or equals to 0. So this whole value will become to be 0. Now 32 to the XOR of 0. This is our final expression what we need to evaluate. So we will have the 32 to the power XOR of 0. So 32 is what? 32 is equals to 1, 0, 0, and then again it is 00 based on 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32, and 0 is what? Everything is to be 0. This represents the 0, which is equals to 0. Now we need to perform the XOR operation. So if both are 0, it is 0, 0, 0, it's 0, 0, 0, it's 0, 0, 0, it's 0, 0 and 0 is 0, and 1 XOR of 0 is your 1. So it represents the 32. So our answer is 32. I value is 32. So answer is 32. This is very important trick. We can calculate it very easily and it is very time saving concept. Now next question. What will be the value of I? So int I, printf alpna. So remember one thing always, that printf will process the characters to the output screen and screen will return the number of characters processed. So printf will process all these characters to the output screen, means it will print all these things to the output screen. So alpna will be printed. Your first alpna will be printed. Alpna will be printed. After that, the screen will return the number of characters processed. So it processed 1 character, 2 character, 3 character, 4 character, 5 character and 6 character. So this 6 will be goes to the I. So 6 will be printed. So I is equals to 6. Now next question. What will be the value of I? So I is equals to printf go lindens plus printf prep smart multiplication operator printf score better. So there is two arithmetic operator in this, that is addition and multiplication. So first we need to perform the multiplication because the multiplication have the higher priority. We can see this whole expression as I is equals to A plus B into C. So first we will need to perform B into C and then we will add this with the A. So what will printf will do? It will first process all the characters to the output screen and then screen will return the character processed. How many characters it processed? So it will first print the go linden. Then second it will print the prep smart because there is no new line operator or no space. These both are printed without any space. Like go lindens is printed and then prep smart. After that there is a new line. This is called a special character, new line character. So then it will go to a new line and it will print the score better. So this is printed. After this printing, the screen will send all the processed characters back to the printer. So it will calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 characters is processed here. It is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here it will gives you the 10 and this one is also, that is 11. So total it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total 11 characters is processed here and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and here 13 characters is processed. Okay. So it becomes the whole expression becomes 9 plus 11 into 13. Now first we need to perform the multiplication operation. So this is performed 11 into 13, which is equals to 143. Now 143 is added with the 9 to get the I as our answer. So this whole value will be stored in the variable I. So I is equals to 152. So 152 is stored in I, which is printed here. So our answer is 152. Next question. What will be the output of the following code? So int A is equals to 456 and then printf %d, %i, %o, %x and %X. So %d and %i is for the integer. %o is for the octal value. Small x and capital X both represent the hexadecimal. This is for the hexadecimal. This is for the octal. And this is for the integer. Okay. Now we need to print the thing. So this is A is already is in the integer. So %d, which is an integer. So first we will print the 456. Here 456 will be printed. Now the second one is also an integer. %i is also represent integer. So it will also 456 only. After that is the %o, which is the octal number. But it is integer, so we need to convert this integer to an octal number. So let's see how we will convert to this one. So 456 to be converted to octal number, we will divide the 456 with the 8. Because for octal number, our base number is 8. So 857 is equals to 456. So we will get the remainder as a 0. Again 8 7s are 56. 8 7 56, we get the remainder as a 1. So what is our octal number for 456 is your 710. This is the octal number 710. This is the octal number. So here it is, octal number will be printed here, which is 710. Now we will print the hexadecimal number small x. Now convert this number, integer number, into a hexadecimal number. So for that we will divide it with the 16. We will divide this one with the 16. So 1628 with a remainder of 8. And again we will divide with the 16 1 with a remainder of 12. So in 16, in hexadecimal representation, 12 is represented with the C. So here it is your small x, there, that's why it will be printed as 1C8. 1 small c and 8. And here it is your capital X, then it will be converted to capital C. So it will be printed as 1C8. So our answer is 456, 456, 7110, 1C8 and 1 capital C8. Next question. What will be the output of the following code? So I is equals to 23456. We need to print the %70. So what this 7 means? This 7 preserves the 7 character space on the output screen. So this number shows how much to preserve the space on the screen. This 7, if there is positive, here it is positive side, so here it is positive +7. So +7 shows the right justification. So here it will be right justification. Here it will preserve the 7 space on the output screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 space is preserved in the output screen. Now we need to print it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So plus indicate that it is a right justification. So it will be printed from here. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now -7. 7 indicates that we need to preserve this 7 character space on the output screen, and minus indicates it's a left justification. So it will preserve this 7 space on the output screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now minus indicate that it's a left justification, so it will be start printing from the left. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now here it is 3. 3 indicate that only 3 spaces are to be preserved on the output screen, but our number is of 5 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So automatically it will increase the space like 2, 3, 4, 5 and then is the 6. So our output is this one. With these spaces, what is the left? And here it will automatically increase the space. Now next question, which is our last question. Float x is equals to 76.03245. So printf %5.2f. So what does this means? It means after decimal it can take only 2 values. After decimal it can take only 2 values to be taken after the decimal. So it will take only this much value. So this is printed. After decimal it takes only 2 value. So 76.03 will be printed. So this is our answer. Thank you so much.